Hello, welcome back to Letham Trading. It's a very long gap, right? Yes, it's a very long break, but I'm very busy with my maternity leave and all. So I'm again ready to do Nifty analysis. Uh, I want to be in the market, but there is some change. I used to do daily analysis, right? But from now, I'm going to do weekly analysis only because still I'm very busy with my baby and I want to be in the market apart from my barriers. So let us go with the Nifty analysis only. See, I'm again doing Nifty analysis only because I'm used to these Nifty graphs. See, the first thing we are in the market is the primary thing is to make the money, right? So how we can make the money? We have to be very disciplined and we should know the graphs very well, right? We already very used to be with this Nifty graphs. See, I can easily predict the movement of the market, especially this Nifty graphs. So I'll do Nifty analysis only and I will trade in the Nifty only. See, this is how we can make money with the discipline. If you are if you go with many of the graphs, you'll be confused about doing the proper thing. So see, still I am ready to do with the Nifty only. And of course the weekly expiry of Nifty was changed to Tuesday, right? It used to be on Thursday, but now it was on Tuesday. Of course, expiry date is it doesn't matter to us, right? We are trading with the Nifty. Apart from the expiry, will be the same way. Our thought process will be in the same way like earlier. We don't worry about the expiry dates. So we can take monthly expiry also, right? If the expiry, see, if it is on Monday or Tuesday, we'll take next week's expiry. So you can take monthly expiry or the next week's expiry on Monday, or you can do futures also. The main thing is to make money and with the graph. See, we all know about this setup, right? We consider taking Camarilla setup. See, I'll again explain you about our Camarilla setup. This is CPR and this is H4. This is H5 and this is the lines below the CPR will be L3, L4 and L5. It's a brief explanation. And now this is 200 EMA and this is 20 EMA, right? Okay, now we are going to this 29th graph. It's on Monday. See, the first candle is a green candle, but it's down the CPR. See, if you want to take a put trade, we'll observe the CPR is very wide, right? If the CPR is very wide, we will be very careful because the stop loss will be very big, right, for us. So we'll wait. See, the second candle, it's a breakdown from the CPR. It's a breakdown from the CPR for the first time. We will wait for the confirmation of the second breaking of CPR. Since the CPR is very wide, the movement will not be very big. It will not be very volatile. It will take some time to move forward. So after breaking here on the second candle, we'll again wait for the next candle, like breaking of the CPR again. If it goes without breaking second time the CPR and if it reach to the L3, we don't take a trade. See, sometimes it's very blessed to not take a trade because you are watching the market and still you are not taking a trade. It's not a easy thing. You are very controlled about your emotions. That's the reason you are not taking the trade. See, if it goes to the down, it's not according to our setup. If everything is according to our setup, we'll go for the trade. If there is anything not according to our setup, we just watch the market, we don't take the trade. See, again it went to the second time breaking, so you can take the trade here, and the stop loss will be above this central CPR, right? So yes, it was a very good setup, and our target was reached. See, our target is up to L3. Yes, it went up. If your trade is here, it went up, but it doesn't cross this central CPR, right? So you can book this profit. And if your stop loss is very less, you will hit your stop loss, of course, but I'll suggest you to take stop loss only if it goes above this central CPR. Okay, this is the Monday graph, and now we are going to see Tuesday's graph. Right? See, this Tuesday graph is not that easy, because see the first 5 minutes candle, it's a very big candle crossing the downside of the CPR, and it almost covered whole CPR, and it's a very big candle. I suggest you to not take a trade, because it's a see, first candle, the first 5 minutes candle will almost tell you how the day is going to be, I feel like. See, what I said on the Monday graph, if the breaking is on second time, you can take the trade, right? So yes, it has a break on the second time, but it's around 11:40, right? See, mostly if you are going to take options, your momentum should be very fast. You should not stuck in the market with many candles, because there is a time decay, and your options premium will it will also decay, right? So you have to be very careful, and if you take a trade at this point, you will end up with this market slow momentum, right? So you do not take a trade, please. You have to take a trade before the 11 o'clock. If you can't take a trade of before 11 o'clock, it's safe to be apart from the market, because you'll end up with time decay only. Of course, it reached our target, but it's of no use. So Tuesday will be a no trade day. And see, this is a Wednesday's graph, and this is a downside CPR. See the first candle, candle is inside CPR, and we'll see whether it is breaking to the upside or to the downside. Yes, it has a breakout to the upside, and we'll see how the market will react. It is a breakout at H4, right? But see how the market reacted before it breaking the H4. It is a continuous green candles, so it will definitely wait for 20 MA, right? So it took some time to come to this 20 MA, but there is previous day high here, and it is also the momentum was done for the day, because we'll take a trade before 11 o'clock, right? So it was done for the day. If you take a trade here, again you'll end up with slow momentum. So it's very good thing not to take a trade. See, it's 1 week we have 5 days, right? If you can take only two trades 2 days, and you skip 3 days, it's a very good thing. You are just watching the market and observing. If you can take 2 trades, and if you have only 2 lots, if your profit is 3,000 for 2 lots, or 5,000, whatever it may be, you will definitely make 10,000 of money just in a week, right? It's not an easy thing. So that's how you can make money. You should not go for lakhs of money to earn in a day. You should be very slow in the market. That's how you can stand in the market. And the day of Wednesday is a no trade day, and again we are going to Thursday. See, Thursday graph CPR is average, and we'll definitely wait for the first candle to close. And this first candle is a first candle H4 breakout. It is our strategy that if the market first candle breaks out to the H4, then we'll definitely then we are going to take trade on the next candle itself, and our target will be H5. Yes, it's a very good trade on Thursday. So overall, from up to Thursday, we are into the market on 2 days, that is on Monday and on Thursday. So that's end of the trade and the end of the day, and you just keep the market watching the market. It's just a waste of time watching the market whole the day, because you'll unnecessarily go and take the trade and you will end up with losses. So you have to be very limited with the market, and you should earn more with the market. It's a very big subject. You have to be very careful and very disciplined. And now we are going to move to the Friday graph. Okay, on Friday it's a gap up, right? And the candle, first 5 minutes candle is very big. If it is a gap up and the candle is very big, mostly the market will trade within the first 5 minutes candle only. And some people take trades like, if the market comes to this point, call. If the market comes to this point, put. See, you can take such trades, but it's very risky mostly, and I will suggest taking the trade only if it breaks this first 5 minutes candle. Okay, it was a trade at 130 around. See, mostly the moment will be at 130 or in the beginning of the market only. In the middle of these timings, the market will be very slow. If there is a chance, sometimes there will be some chances, but you have to stick to your rules. So you can take a put trade here at that point, and yes, you can book your profit at this point. That's how you ended this week. And with that 5 days tradings, you took the trades only 3 days and you skip 2 days. So if your profit is around with 2 lots, you can easily make a profit, and there is no stop loss hitting day for us in this week, right? Thank you. I hope this video will help you. We'll continue to take videos, and we'll analyze the Nifty graph. We don't leave a Nifty graph. Thank you.